Hey everyone, come with me. I am on my way to my hair salon. Renaissance Curls is located in the historic district of Strivers Row in Harlem, New York. This area was a cultural mecca during the Harlem Renaissance. I love looking at the brownstone and limestone buildings. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm meeting our salon coordinator, Charlene, at the salon today since she's doing a workshop at a natural hair school, and I'm tagging along for support and to assist her. The workshop is on wash and go, so I'm grabbing any shampoos, conditioners, stylers, and tools we may need for our models. The natural hair school we're going to today is the Magic Fingers Institute. You've probably seen her products before online or at the beauty supply store. Make sure to check out her tools, salon, products, and especially her school if you're looking to get licensed in natural hair in New York State.
It all depends on the product that you use and the brands that you use. So a lot of our clients have been using gels consistently for like 5 years, and their hair is healthy, top notch. So
during the workshop, the students got to learn and practice their washing, detangling, and raking skills on the model, and some of the students even got a chance to experience the hairstyle themselves. Unfortunately, natural hair generally isn't really taught in cosmetology schools. I got my hair diploma in 2007 in Canada, and when I graduated, I told my teacher that I wanted to specialize in natural hair, and he laughed at me. I had to figure out how to provide professional natural hair services on my own for a while, even had to travel to different states just to get education catered to what I actually wanted to do, which was taking care of loose, tight curls. Despite these challenges, I've been able to build a consistent natural hair clientele from scratch in 2 different countries, and I'm grateful that there are more options now for those that are interested in this career.
I was about to say, this is the kind of pressure your client wants, not the, what y'all be doing every day.
Cosmetology schools in New York will soon have to include natural hair care in the curriculum, which I'm excited to see how this will play out. Many future licensed hairstylists want to learn how to care and style natural hair, not necessarily how to color it or do nails, which is where the natural hair license comes in, which has been established in New York since the 90s. We are currently working on Academy Days at Renaissance Curls, which is our way to bridge the gap between the education received at school to pass state board and the practical training needed to excel in this career. I'm very glad that natural hair is becoming more and more popular, not just for the clients, but also for the professionals. I'm at the point of my career where I have more time to dedicate to sharing what I've learned over these last 13 years. Thank you for coming with me and watching, and I'll see you soon.